Hi everybody! Today I'd like to introduce the popular pudding in Tokyo. You can actually get it at Nakameguro. It was originally made for the dessert menu of Kushikatsu restaurant. But because it got so popular, they opened Happy Pudding Mahakara right next to it. So you can get it at Nakameguro. And they're only selling puddings. It's so interesting. They're always having a different flavors. It depends on the season. Today I actually got this honey lemon flavor. I have to give a try. いただきます。So rich. It's got lemon itself as well. Of course, because they're using special eggs, especially for this pudding. Francis from Cooking with Dog, he's introducing all about this pudding. So if you're interested in the recipe how to make it, please click here. And if you're once in Nakameguro, please go and check it out, which flavor they're selling. You might be standing on the line, but if you wait a little, you'll get yummy ones. So I hope you'll enjoy it. So thank you for watching. See you.